Bangkok, Thailand. The city has a population topping 10 million and generates 8,000 tons of municipal solid waste a day. The organic component accounts for 80% of the waste, and consequently the leachate percentage is higher than in other parts of the world. Waste arrives at the station loaded on compactor trucks, each with a capacity of 15 cubic meters. The transfer station featured in the video receives about 3,000 tons a day. The station is located in the city center. Waste is compacted and wrapped, and the baled material then sent to the landfill, which is about 80 kilometers from the city center. There are 3 110L.1 model balers and 3 wrapping machines in operation in this facility. Each baler has a capacity of over 45 tons an hour, and bales weigh an average of 1,900 kilograms, or 4,100 pounds. Hydraulic grapples load the waste onto the conveyors, which feed the 110L.1 series balers. The balers have a binding machine designed specifically for waste and tie 10 baling wires automatically. Given the high percentage of organic material, part of the baler's job is also to remove moisture from the solid waste. Leachate is collected in a special tank, which is placed under the floor and emptied at regular intervals. The bales reach the wrapping machines, which wrap and seal the waste with plastic film, so that they can be carried to the landfill without leaving a trail of putrescible liquids or lightweight components along the road from the station to the landfill. Bales are loaded onto trucks with forklifts equipped with hydraulic clamps, and each of the trucks can carry up to 35 tons. This facility, the first in Thailand, has enabled the people running it to solve the problem of visual environmental impact caused by loose waste. The number of birds at the station has dropped considerably as a result of bales being wrapped. Since the bales are sealed, they are practically odor-free, which is especially important during the monsoon season, when temperatures climb to 40 degrees and humidity levels are over 80%. The baler's squeezing action results in most leachate being eliminated during compacting, and transport costs are considerably lower, since each truck can carry up to 35 tons of baled waste. Mac Press exports facilities to more than 35 countries worldwide, and its project portfolio contains over 1,000 plants produced by the company in its 40 years in the business, making Mac the only manufacturer in the world today who can supply turnkey facilities to solve the problem of waste. Mac Press has been synonymous with experience and innovation for over 40 years. Consult our website or get in touch with one of our agents in any of the 35 countries served around the world.